So the Queensway Carleton Hospital was built in 1976, and we serve a population of nearly 500,000. Half the population of the city of Ottawa come to our doors for care. The hospital has many sustainability goals. In the short term, we're looking at highly achievable, smaller bite-sized projects like LED retrofits, variable frequency drives installation.
Lighting in a hospital is fairly complex and sophisticated. It creates a certain mood. It increases your visual acuity. The tone, the colors really impacts our mood and your depth perception. In terms of the energy savings, our lights are on 24/7, 365. So this is really significant for us to have the benefit of low energy LED lighting right throughout the hospital.
At the hospital, we're working with taxpayers' dollars, so the more money we can save, the better, and the program has allowed us to save a lot of money. Every month when we get our hydro bills, we see the money saved.
So I've been here through 4 major lighting changes, and now everything is done LED. It was a game changer for me for many reasons, but the biggest reason is I changed 50% less bulbs now, and it adds more time for me to do more things that are more important to the hospital.
VFDs make motors and mechanical devices smart. They control the amount of energy consumed by telling the motor to slow down or speed up. So it reduces the output and the input and the electrical consumption.
The crew that did the work were very good with working around the people here and making accommodations so that everything would run smoothly. I would definitely recommend this upgrade to others. It certainly is beneficial to the appearance of the campus, as well as astronomical energy savings, and energy consumption is reduced drastically.
Patients' care is our first line of business, looking after you and your loved ones when you need us most. We also need to look after the planet and be responsible for our green initiatives. Funding is always a challenge, and we're always looking for initiatives and opportunities to leverage that. bizenergysaver helped us, and without them, it would have been very challenging to complete those projects.